Wayne Klug is here from Spectrum Technology Solutions on the show today. Thanks for joining me today, Wayne.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Scott.
So tell us a little bit about cloud computing and what some of the options are for businesses.
Yeah, so you've probably heard of cloud computing. It's all over the radio, TV commercials, and if you did an internet search on cloud computing, you'd get a ton of different definitions. For our clients and our prospects, we break it down with this simple definition. It's the ability to access data and processing power through the internet from multiple devices. And so take Netflix, for example. This is a cloud solution that enables you to access movie content from any device and any location. Gmail is another example. So your personal email, you can access that on your MacBook, your desktop PC, your iPad, your smartphone. It doesn't matter which device or where you're located, you've got access to your personal email. That's cloud computing.
So for the novice user, the small business owner who says, you know, is this for me? Is it something I can really implement? How does it really apply to their business?
Yeah, so let's look back at that Netflix example for just a moment. Prior to the Netflix offer, in order for us to watch movie content, we would have to go to Blockbuster, rent a DVD, bring it back to our house, plug it in, and we could only watch it on our TV or maybe our computer if we have a DVD drive installed. The same kind of thing is happening now related to business cloud computing. So we take an entire business's network, their servers, their programs, their data, their email, their security, their backups, and we stream it to them in any location on any device. And what this means to the business owner is that they no longer need to maintain or manage their infrastructure, their licensing. They don't have to worry about making these big hefty checks for their IT systems anymore. So you pay for what you use. It's a scalable expense model. So oftentimes the businesses save money with this solution, and they also gain enterprise level performance.
So theoretically, someone would eliminate their server entirely?
There's different types of cloud solutions. So there's a pure cloud where you've got everything in the cloud, and then there's hybrid cloud solutions. So businesses need to look at what makes the most sense for them based on their applications and their data usage and how their employees work, their workflow, and it can be set up in different ways for them.
So they could mix and match as they need to.
Yep.
Okay. What's so different about Spectrum Technology Solutions cloud services versus other companies? Because there, as you mentioned, there are other companies out there.
Sure, absolutely. So, you know, here's what business owners want. They want their IT systems to work. They don't care how many servers they have. They don't care about the licensing requirements. They want a simple solution for their employees to make them more productive so that they can deliver their product or service to their clients as efficiently as possible. And at the end of the day in business, that's what matters. Spectrum Technology Solutions cloud solution is built on enterprise level equipment in SAS 70 compliant military grade data centers. We use the same level of security encryption that your bank uses to protect you. And we have the best cloud computing solution for small and medium businesses in the Valley of the Sun.
Excellent. Thanks for sharing all of that with us. So tell us one more thing, if you could, before we wrap up. When do you know if your business is ready for the cloud?
Well, most business owners have not had a cloud readiness assessment performed. And
oh, so that's the key.
That's the key, yeah. So not every, you know, we've got a lot of interest in our solution, but it's not for everyone. So a cloud readiness assessment would allow us to come in and look at the applications, the data, the workflow of the business, and evaluate if it's a good fit. We'd also look at, you know, the data security. We'd look at the speed and the performance of the system to make sure that it's going to work well with your internet connectivity. So business owners need to have that assessment performed in order to know if they can move forward. And we're offering a free cloud readiness assessment for all businesses with 10 or more computers. And in order to sign up for that offer, you just need to go to our website, stsarizona.com/cloud. Fill out the form. There's a quick video right above the form, 3 minutes long. Below that, fill out that form, and you can also call our office, 623-806-8484, and we'll get you registered for that free cloud readiness assessment.
Wayne, thanks for joining me today on the show. I appreciate the information about cloud computing, and I think our viewers will as well.
Thank you, Scott.